KICKER's KMA Marine Amplifiers are the perfect choice for your watercraft. There are 5 models to choose from, 4 multi-channel options from a 150-watt 2-channel all the way up to a 600-watt 6-channel amplifier, which is bridgeable, so you can use that to power the entire boat with one amplifier. There's also an 800-watt 1-channel or subwoofer amplifier in the line. Now, all of KICKER's amplifiers include adjustable gain, crossover, and bass boost, but what they also include is FIT technology, fail-safe integration technology. What is that? That allows you to run high-level or low-level inputs directly into the KICKER amplifier without needing a line output converter. So even if your head unit does not have RCA outputs, that's okay. Use the KICKER KISL, the KISL, wire that into those speaker wires, and then run the RCA tips directly into the amplifier. No line output converter is needed. Additionally, you can utilize something called DC offset in those factory speaker wires. That DC offset will control the amplifier and tell it to turn on and off. So if you're using speaker level or high level inputs into your KICKER amp, you do not need to run a 12-volt remote turn on, saving you time and hassle. But what differentiates KICKER's marine amplifiers from our car audio amplifiers or even some of our competition's marine amplifiers? First and foremost, the entire PCB in this amplifier is conformally coated. It's kind of like a clear epoxy that's sprayed over the PCB, so even if water splashes on it, the electronics have a great chance of staying dry. Number 2 is our marine compliant terminals. So if you look inside the terminals, you can see that they're a little bit different. They don't have a set screw that can come down and actually pierce or break the copper strands in the boat, which could cause shorting. And then lastly, the amplifiers themselves inside now are ABYC and NMMA compliant. So if you want to do it by the book, you make sure you use electronics that are rated for those organizations. Now specifically, the KMA 800.1 is going to include a remote bass level controller, or the KMBLC. The KMBLC allows you to adjust the amount of bass in the music from a much more convenient location. And don't forget about KICKER's marine wiring kits. They use marine compliant colors, as well as full oxygen-free copper and a full American wire gauge spec. And anytime you use a marine wiring kit with any KICKER amplifier, you're going to extend the warranty on that amplifier by an extra year. For more information, check out your local dealer or kicker.com.